Statistics show that up to 70% of cubs do not survive the first 3 months of life. Large predators, such as hyenas and lions, are always lurking, ready to hunt the cubs or steal the food that the mother cheetah has worked hard to earn. Therefore, the mother cheetah must be constantly vigilant and ready to face danger to protect her cubs. Although only 5% of cheetah cubs survive to adulthood, these individuals carry with them harsh survival lessons from their mothers and nature. In a world where life and peril are only a breath away,